which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Details like websites, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 3. Category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So we can see on the screen, guests will be required to present photo ID and check-in. Location of the hotel is attractive when guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Six categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several rooms and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Booking or more details, read description below. If you are facing any kind of problem with booking or anything, first of all, then you can tell us by the link. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our upcoming hotel.